Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What's Sold video for you today. It is Thursday, and I'm going to turn over to Kathy to see what's sold for us today.
Hey friends, I did want to thank some of y'all for buying us coffees. Annette bought us 3 coffees, she said. Don't know how I stumbled on your videos, but so glad I did. I've binge watched your videos trying to learn as much as I can.
Oh, goodness.
Currently don't sell on any platforms, but I have so many questions. This is definitely something I want to do full time. I'm 60 years young and have been a dog groomer for half my age. It's time to hang up the scissors and start thrifting. The extra coffee is for Reese.
All right.
Reese, you get a coffee?
Get a puppuccino?
And get some treats, some carrots.
Oh, don't tease him. Yeah.
Soon, okay. Thank you so much.
Annette. Yeah, thank you so much for that.
Good luck with, hit up the thrift store, man.
Yeah.
Let us know what you find.
It's a great adventure.
Yeah.
And, you know, if you've been dog grooming, I'm assuming you did it on your own, in your own business. So it's
pretty similar.
Yeah. It's just, you just got to get up and do it. And that's it. So awesome. Thank you so much for that support, Annette.
And then Kathy bought us 5 coffee. She said, I so appreciate all the work you put into your videos and your selfless willingness to share your knowledge with others. I always learn something new. You are by far my favorite channel to watch. Thanks for being an inspiration. That's
awesome.
So nice.
Thank you so much. That is so nice of you. Thank you.
Yes. And then Dina bought us a coffee. Dina, you bought something from us the other day, right?
Yeah, I think she did. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Dina. She said, you are both the sweetest couple. I have been watching you lately and other influencers as I want to start my own resale business.
Whoa, other influencers? It's so weird. Yeah. It's so hard for us to think of ourselves as influencers.
I don't think I'll ever think that. I just think of, I don't know, we're like all friends. Like, I know we don't like know each other, but I just feel like y'all are friends and co-workers.
Yeah.
So she wants to start her own resale business. You're so inspiring. I went out and purchased $100 of kids' shoes listed that day. Woke up to a sale. I learned it from watching your channel. Thanks so much. So congrats on the sale.
Yeah, that's exciting.
Kids' shoes are one of like the easiest things to sell. Not necessarily the most profitable, but a very easy place to start and usually very cheap to find.
Yeah.
And
not completely overrun by resellers. Not everybody's doing kids' shoes. So.
Yep.
Awesome.
Thank you all so much.
Thank you for all that support, guys. You guys are very generous, and we do appreciate it all.
Yeah, and I did want to mention, yesterday, April had bought us a coffee because she wanted that ladder. I did photograph it and list it last night, April. I looked for your message in my Instagram, and I couldn't find it. I scrolled back probably 100 messages or so, and I didn't see a name April. It might be a different name, and I didn't see any message that had to do with the ladder. I'm so sorry, but I replied to your buy me coffee comment thing, but I've never done that before, so I don't know if you get notified. So hopefully it's already listed. So I hope you see this video and then can snatch it up. Yes.
Yeah. So I do think we had maybe 2 or 3 of our viewers interested in it. So because I think we had a couple comments, and I was assuming they were from you, April, but I think maybe from some other people. So
I hope you get it.
Yes.
There was when I was looking up comps yesterday to list ours, I did see at least like probably 10 others similar to list. So to the viewers that want it, if you don't get ours, there are some other listed on eBay, and I'm sure those sellers would love to sell it as well.
Absolutely.
So, thank you all. Let's jump into picking. So BV. These are some book sneakers. I got these back in the summertime, August, and I paid $9.99 for them. Had them listed around $50. Someone offered me $30. I actually previously offered them $35 with discount shipping, and then they countered. Well, not countered because that offer expired. So then they came back today at $30, and I was happy to accept. It's only a few dollars less. Glad to move those on. That was Poshmark, so we'll just ship those out in a regional B box, which we don't have right now.
No.
Our porch is full of boxes. They just came today. So, all right. Viewers. Actually, I wrote possible viewer on my thing here because they didn't leave a message, but they bought one of these Cabana Life swim sets.
Yeah, we're kind of assuming that.
Something else. So, I don't know. Maybe they just wanted these 2 items, but for some reason, I just think you're a viewer. Although the label said Christopher, but then the username said Amazing Wife. So, I don't know. I'm assuming it's a couple.
Right.
I don't know. I have your name on half of the stuff that we do. So if you're a viewer, Christopher or his wife, thank you so much. So they bought this Cabana Life swim set and then AI. Alright, Curly swim trunks. Where are you going, Reese? Did I make too much noise?
He got out of his bed. You want a tummy rub? Is that what you want? You attention seeker.
So some Hurley swim trunks, both new with tag. Bundled them and offered $34. I was happy to accept. Again, $10 is what I have into the Cabana Life. I'm accepting $20 offers on those anyways. And then these swim trunks were actually, so this was a 2-piece set I bought for my son. Came with the rash guard. I only paid $10 total. The trunks were just a little bit too big on his waist, so I listed them, and then we did keep the shirt. So I guess you could call I have $5 into it, or I put it in my spreadsheet as 10, and then if I ever sell the shirt, I'll just put that as 0 at the time. So anyways, I'm at least making about a $7 profit on that, so which is great because, you know, the swim trunks I technically bought for my kid and they didn't work out and I made my money back. So all right, now this is a viewer sale, so DI, like a for sure viewer sale that I know of. Cole Haan heeled booties, and then AM. Tommy Bahama girls dress, new with tag. So I have $6.99 into the booties, $3.50 into the dress. Cheyenne is the viewer. Thank you so much, Cheyenne. She offered $45 for the bundle, and I accepted. So thank you, Cheyenne.
Awesome. Thank you so much for that support.
Those items.
I think we forgot to start getting boxes and bags.
Yeah, they're all Poshmark. So really anything. I think this little bundle will fit nicely in a regional A. Those were the regional B. This would also probably be good in a B, so I just need to find a pack of those and bring them up.
Yeah. We do plan on,
some right here too, so.
We've been talking a lot about the new year and like our plans and hopes for the YouTube channel and stuff in the future. And we do want to, I know a lot of people request a more in-depth shipping video. So we're really going to be working on that stuff in the future, you know, first quarter probably.
Yeah.
Because, you know, we got all these grand ideas for the year, you know, New Year's coming. We're planning away.
Trying to write them down in a notepad as we think of them, just because, I mean, every day we come up with ideas, but then we forget about them.
Yeah.
Or, you know.
There's only so much time in a day.
That's true. But the only way to remember them is to, like, write them down. Yeah. So then we'll kind of prioritize them once we have a list.
Yeah.
Go from there. But shipping video, definitely important. Inventory video, definitely important. So
yeah.
A lot coming at you soon. All right, this is that Tiger Woods men's vest, sweater vest. It's cashmere and wool. Honestly, the comps on this were not great, but I only paid $3.50 for it, so I wanted to take a chance. It sold in just a couple days for $21.46 plus shipping on eBay. Probably could have got a little more, seeing as how fast it sold. So I don't know. Don't always go by comps. Honestly, most of the comps I saw were like, I feel like $15. I listed mine at $25 plus shipping, and then we had a sale running. So
right.
Where is my? We still have a few more little
holiday mailers.
Yeah, I want to get through. So, do that. So that was for eBay, and then box Y. These are some really cool Toms. Yeah, these ones seem to go for more than most Toms. I don't know if it's the color or just that they're like, I don't think they're leather, but I don't know, like a matte finish. But yeah, these I picked up at Goodwill for $9.99. I normally would never pick up Toms for that much, but I had seen comps on this type before, so I knew it was worth it. They sold for $34.36 plus shipping, so about a $20 profit on those. They are under a pound, so they're just shipping out in a mailer. One doggy mailer left. That should fit those nicely. And then, yeah, January 1st, so a couple days, we'll be able to order more eBay tape. And then eBay mailers
The
with
poly
our
mailers.
coupon.
Yeah.
They kind of will replace the dogs because they're about the same size.
These doggy mailers. Yeah, these are a little bit bigger than our standard size.
By 13, yeah. So.
I don't remember what those are. 10 by 13. The smaller ones. Yeah.
And then those are probably like a 12.
A 12 by maybe 15 or something.
The eBays are slightly bigger, but they're also smaller than like the shipping hip ones that I have that are lemons and stuff. These are like 24 by something, I think. So
take advantage of that coupon too.
Yep, we don't use that bigger size every day, so it's just nice to have a pack. Right. Nike kid shoes. These I did pay up for just because they were in like perfect condition. Looked like they might have been worn once or something. And if they never sold, I would have kept for my son when he got to this size. So I did pay $11.24 for them, and they sold for $24.04 plus shipping. So about a $10 profit. I still think that's good. Those will ship in a mailer. Yay, last of the presents. Now we just have the pink ornament ones. All right, $80 V. This is a viewer sale going out to Tracy. Cute little bunny vintage fuzzy jacket. I picked this up last week for $5.99, and Tracy bought it from us for $30 plus shipping. So thank you so much, Tracy.
Yeah, thank you so much for that support.
What did I do on this one? Just a 2-pound label. Let me make sure. I don't remember. I could do a box or a mail, a bigger mailer, I believe. So, yeah. So the jacket's only 1 pound 5 ounces. So I'll probably put that. I don't know.
In a shoebox, maybe.
Maybe a shoebox. Yeah, it's kind of weird, but we folded it kind of like in a fat way, so it won't really fit in the mailing box. And this one is kind of heavy, so.
Shoeboxes are nice because they're a thinner plastic, so
we can kind of like
cardboard.
Roll it into this. But if I can't fit it nicely, I'll just put it in a bigger mailer.
Yeah.
So that's that, and then box of V again. All right, this is just one of my son's old shirts. It was the brand Lulu and Rue. This I bought actually at a kids consignment sale that comes to town a couple times a year, not JBF. It's the Ray Lena, or however you say that sale. I did pay $15 for this, which is kind of a lot at one of those sales. Usually stuff's priced like $8 and under, but these retail over $30. I love the brand. It was in great shape when I bought it. I knew I could resell it after he wore it for probably $20. I ended up selling it for $18 just because I knew I'd break even, and he got some wear out of it. So
awesome.
Yep. So I'm gonna put it in a pink mailer so I can use those up.
I mean, it kind of color coordinates. Those colors seem to go together. Kathy likes to do that. If you haven't noticed, we have different types of mailers, and Kathy likes to coordinate the mailer to the product that's going out in it.
I mean, that's technically a kid's shirt, so I'd rather put it in like a cute woodland one or something. But I'm trying to use the holiday ones up.
All right, guys. So that's what we have going out today. We're going to go ahead and get the stuff all packed up, and then we'll be right back. All right. Thanks for all the help, Reese Bear. You big lazy meatball. Got everything all packed up and did a little montage on there real quick.
We never really do that. I know sometimes people, I think, want to see that.
Yeah.
Like how we actually pack them up. So today was an easy day.
Yeah.
Everything was, right there. But sometimes if you have to resize a box or find one in the closet, it could take a few extra minutes.
Yeah, Poshmark makes it super easy because these boxes, super easy. You don't have to resize anything as long as you're under a certain, 5 pounds.
Yep, and no big old boots sold today. Often those don't fit in the regular boxes. So
it's a pretty easy day.
Yeah.
Can't complain about that. It is the 30th right now, but I think this video is going to be going up New Year's Eve, or maybe even New Year's. So not quite sure, but it should be right around one of those days. But yeah, we're going to get that stuff off to the post office. And I just want to give a reminder, if you haven't downloaded our spreadsheet or don't have a spreadsheet to use for the new year, if you are a reseller, check our links down in the description. We do have a free spreadsheet that we do give out to our viewers. And you just have to make sure that you type $0 if you want it to be free. You can also support us by giving us some money there, but I recommend downloading it for $0 first, and if you do end up wanting to support us for that, click on the Buy Me a Coffee link and buy us a coffee that way. So anyway, guys, that's going to do it for today. If it is the new year, Happy New Year, guys. We do appreciate all the amazing support and growth that we've had the past couple months. It's been amazing. It's been a crazy ride, and we're excited to see what 2022. It's been a long year, guys. 2022.
We're 2 years, guys.
We're excited to see what 2022 brings us, and I hope you guys are excited for the new year as well, and we'll see you then, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.